Hi, this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a graduation card and gift card holder created with the Stampin' Up! Witty-Cisms stamp set. Not only is it quick and easy, but also you can customize it to other school colors as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my card and graduation gift card holder. This is the front. It says you did it. And when you open it up, you see that it has the inside sentiment, wishing you happiness this special day will bring, and there's a pocket that you can insert a gift card or money. The Stampin' Up! Witty-Cisms stamp set is on page 37 of the Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog 2020. There are multiple images and sentiments, and this is a $1 million set by Lisa Fast. We're also going to be using the Country Club Designer Series paper. I find this paper perfect for masculine cards. First, we're going to start with a piece of Poppy Parade. This is 5.5 by 8.5. I'm going to fold this and score it to where it will make our card base. Next, I'm going to add a layer of Night of Navy. This is 5 by 3 3/4. I'm just going to take some adhesive and add this to the front of our card base. Now, I have 3 pieces of the Country Club Designer Series paper. These are 1 3/8 by 3. I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back and attach them to that Night of Navy layer. I love the colors in this paper. They're bright and cheerful. Now, I'll add a Night of Navy banner layer. I just punched this with the banner triple punch. Right in the center. Then I'll add my focal point, and I've used the layer and circle framelits dies to make this. The bottom layer is in Poppy Parade, the middle layer is in Night of Navy, and then I've stamped the cap and gown and the You Did It in black Memento ink. Before I adhere this, I want to take my Poppy Parade light stamp and blend marker, and I'm just going to color in the hat. So I'll add some adhesive to the back. And then this is just going to fit right in the center. Now I want to work on the inside of the card. I'm bringing in a piece of Whisper White. This is 5.5 by 5 1/4, and I've scored this at 1.5. And then I've added tear and tape on the ends. And when you fold this up, this will make a pocket for your gift card. Now I'm going to attach another piece of that Country Club Designer Series paper. This is 1.5 by 5 1/4. And this is just going right across the front. And then just to decorate it a little bit more, I have another piece of Nita Navy. This is 1/2 by 5 1/4. And I'm just adding some adhesive on the back. And then this is just gonna lay right across the top. Now I want to stamp my sentiment. This is coming from the Peaceful Moment stamp set. I'm using the Wishing You Happiness, or Wishing You Every Happiness This Special Day Will Bring. And I'm going to be stamping this in Nita Navy ink. Now, the final step for the inside is just to adhere this to the card base. So I'm adding some more adhesive on the back. And then I'm just going to put this on the inside. And then see, you have your pocket there for your gift card or money if you would like. All right, let's go back to the front. Let's finish this off. I'm taking some Whisper White Baker's twine. Hopefully I can tie this bow on camera. Tying bows can be temperamental. Sometimes you can get it on the first try, and then others is like, wow. All right, I think I like that bow. And then I'm just gonna play with it just a little bit. Let's see. And then what I want to do is just trim off these ends. And then finally, I want to add some rhinestone basic jewels. We don't have any in Poppy Parade, Some of you may already know how to do this, but if you take your Stampin' Blends marker, you can color these rhinestones in any color. And that way you have coordinating embellishments. And I've already done this. You just simply take your marker and color over the rhinestone. And because this is an alcohol marker, it dries really fast. So I've already done that. Putting one on this side. Oops. And there you have it, a graduation card and gift card holder. And again, you can take any gift card and put it in the pocket or money. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more of my projects, you can find me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you for stopping by, and happy stamping.